Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply change asking language in Google Gemini AI app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Gemini AI app. I'm going to simply click on here to open my Gemini AI. I'm going to click on here. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this profile icon right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on settings. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to language. Then I'm going to simply click on United States language right here. Then right here, you can add as many as possible language you can use to ask Gemini AI some questions. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change language in Google Gemini AI app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.